It is going to be a hot one out there today, already in the 90s in some spots. You factor in the humidity and it's going to feel like 100 to 105 or even more in some areas. So get ready for another scorcher of a day. But we're going to start to see at least some slightly cooler air push into South Florida as the winds start to shift. Eventually, we're going to start to see more of an easterly wind, and that's going to bring in some milder ocean air. All right, so right now 88 into Vero. We're at 90 already into the Palm Beaches, 93 right now into Boca. The winds out of the south helping to bring in that very warm, very muggy air, but over the next few, the winds will start to shift. We'll get that easterly flow, and that's going to bring in that milder air, and temperatures will slowly start to come on down. The average high for this time of year, 90 degrees. So today we're running above average, but each and every day does get a little bit cooler, and by Saturday, a daytime high of 89. Vero Beach today coming in at 94. Your record 96, so you'll be close, but again, 94 the forecasted high. Okeechobee 93. Indiantown today coming in at 92, but that's without the humidity. You factor that in, and we're talking a real feel of around 105 to 106. So it is going to be another scorcher of a day. Now, at the moment, all is quiet on radar and on satellite, but as the day goes on, we're going to have some showers and storms develop. And as we head into the afternoon hours, we'll have some storms along the coast, and then they're going to slowly start to drift back towards the lake as we head towards the late afternoon and into the evening hours. We're also watching an area of disturbed weather in the northern Gulf of Mexico. The Hurricane Center giving it about a 30% chance of becoming yet another tropical cyclone, meaning either a tropical depression or a storm. If it gets a name, it will be Danielle. Model's really not doing much with this system. It's interacting with some land, so that will limit the amount of strengthening that we're going to see. Otherwise, it is going to produce some locally heavy downpours from Louisiana into parts of the Panhandle. Now, over the next several days, we're going to be watching a little area of disturbed weather currently across the islands, but that's going to make a run up towards South Florida for Thursday and for Friday. We're not going to have that much moisture on top of us for Thursday and Friday, but with this piece of energy sitting on top of us, it could produce a stronger thunderstorm. So that's something that we'll certainly have to watch as we head towards the end of the week. But here's Vipercast as we head into the next 1 to 2 hours. Notice a couple of showers starting to develop into Palm Beach County right along the turnpike. Then that moisture is going to work its way up towards the Treasure Coast, and then notice inland we'll have those thunderstorms around. This is around 6 p.m. on the western side of the lake, and then as we head towards 10 p.m. just a couple of lingering showers here and there. If you're going boating for today, we'll have the seas at 1 to 2 feet. Inland waters will have a light chop, and there are your high and your low tide times. First alert 7-day forecast shows that temperatures will be coming down as we head into the next few days. And also, we're going to start to see that onshore flow, some morning coastal showers, most of the active weather well inland.